Hi, today I'm going to teach you some strategies on how to add and subtract integers. Remember, integers are negative or positive numbers that can be used to represent real-world situations. Positive integers can be used to represent the height of a tall mountain. Negative integers can be used to represent the depth of a scuba diver. Now that we've reviewed integers, let's look at some examples of how to add them. The first strategy I'm going to show you is how to add integers using a number line. Let's start out with the problem -3 plus 4. Put a dot at -3. Then we're going to move 4 units in the positive direction, to the right, to -2, -1, 0, and finally we end up at +1, which is the answer to -3 plus 4. Another strategy used to add integers is using integer chips. Yellow chips are used to represent positive numbers, and red are used to represent negative numbers. To represent 5, put out 5 yellow integer chips. To represent -2, put out 2 red chips. A yellow chip and a red chip together form 0, or a 0 pair, which is highlighted with the gray box. There are 2 0 pairs in this example. Since they equal 0, we can remove them from our problem, and we're left with 3 yellow chips or 3 positives. We looked at what happens when you add a negative number and a positive number together using integer chips. Now let's look at adding 2 negatives together. For the problem -1 plus -4, put out 1 red for -1 and 4 reds for -4. Now there are no 0 pairs for us to remove, so all you have to do is count how many chips you have. You have 5 negatives. The answer is -5. I hope you're feeling confident about your new integer skills. If so, there are lots of cool websites where you can play games and practice. I'm going to show you a couple.
Created using Powtoon.